Welcome back to Fact Space. We've all heard the phrase, drink like a fish, but what about drown like a fish? Today, we're busting a common misconception. Fish don't drown. 1. How fish breathe. First, let's understand how fish survive underwater. They don't have lungs like us. Instead, they have gills. Gills are made of feathery filaments with lots of tiny blood vessels. As water passes over these gills, the oxygen dissolved in the water diffuses into the fish's bloodstream, and carbon dioxide diffuses out. It's a remarkably efficient system. 2. Drowning is about lungs. So why can't they drown? Because drowning is specifically about the lungs filling with water and preventing oxygen from entering the bloodstream. Since fish don't have lungs and use gills, the concept of drowning doesn't apply to them in the same way it does to air-breathing animals. 3. They can suffocate, though. However, a fish can definitely suffocate. If the water doesn't have enough dissolved oxygen, or if their gills get damaged or clogged with pollutants, they can't extract the oxygen they need. Think of it like being in a room with no air for us. They have the breathing apparatus, but no usable air. 4. Gill trauma on land. Taking a fish out of water also causes it to suffocate, but it's not drowning. Their delicate gills are designed to work in water, and when exposed to air, they collapse and can't effectively absorb oxygen. It's like trying to breathe through a closed fist. 5. The frozen in ice myth. You might see videos of fish frozen solid and then coming back to life. While some fish can survive being frozen in very specific protective conditions, like being encased in ice that keeps their gills moist and offers very slow freezing, a fish truly frozen solid will almost certainly die. Their cells would rupture, and their gill function would stop. The common perception of them drowning in ice is simply a misunderstanding of how they breathe. So next time you see a fish, remember, it's not worried about drowning, but it definitely needs its oxygen. Join us next time for more interesting facts. Bye.